So I just bought a turbo kit. Now, before we actually talk about the turbo kit, do me a favor, support your boy, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, do all that fun stuff with the notification bell, because you're not gonna wanna miss everything that's gonna happen to that car back there. Y'all can see that, right? Can y'all see that? Sort of. Yeah, you're not gonna wanna miss it. So hit the subscribe and do all that fancy stuff, and without further ado, let's jump right in. So yeah, I bought this turbo kit. We're gonna talk about it here in a second. This is not the only thing I bought. I bought actually quite a couple of other things, and I'm still buying things. You know, it's the holiday season. Black Friday's upon us. And yeah, where do I begin? So, a couple days ago, I uploaded this picture on social media, and I asked a couple of y'all to take a guess as to what you guys thought this turbo kit might be. And I'm not surprised. I saw a lot of close guesses, but nobody actually was able to guess the actual name of the turbo kit. So I'm going to reveal that here shortly, and fill you guys in on all the details of how much I bought this kit for, where I found it, all that fun stuff. Really quickly, in the last video, I recently told you guys that my clutch in the SC300 started slipping, and it hasn't really slipped since. You know, it's been pretty okay, but since I'm going NA-T, I did finally buy my clutch. I got my flywheel resurfaced. I had a spare flywheel that was sitting on my 1J over there, so I pulled it off, got it resurfaced, got some fluid, got everything you need basically, you know, to do your normal clutch job. And oh, I know y'all are gonna want to know, this is a competition stage 3. It's good for approximately 300 torque, which is more than enough for what I want to run, because I don't want to break my trans. I know some guys make some decent power on a W58, but the purpose of this build is reliability. So I want to keep this reliable. You might have noticed this box here. We're going to talk about this box here at the very end. There's something very important inside of that box. So yeah, we'll cover that box in a few. Now on to the most, I guess, important thing on today's topic is this kit. Where do I begin? Okay, so since I started shopping around for kits, I was actually 99% sold on CX Racing. And I've talked about going NA-T on this channel for quite some time. Drop my phone there. I'm gonna pretend like it doesn't bother me. Anyways, I've been talking about going NA-T on this channel for quite some time, and now is finally that time. So I was gonna buy a CX Racing turbo kit. I actually was looking forward to buying a CX Racing turbo kit. Right now, that kit is about $2,000, and it pretty much comes with everything you need, even a wastegate. And we'll talk about the wastegate here in a second. But as I was shopping for deals, right, because CX Racing usually has like a 10% off or 15% off, even though at the end of it all, basically it's like you get free shipping with that discount. I'm a little cheap sometimes, I don't know. But I wanted to get the best deal I could on this kit, so I've been kind of holding off and waiting, and I'm actually happy I did, because I stumbled upon this kit. Literally, a couple days ago, while I was searching for a turbo kit, I found this kit on eBay, and I could not believe how much the kit was going for, okay? This kit was going for $1,650, and the guy that was selling it is local. It was actually a shop in Baltimore, JE Import Performance. Also known, I think they're also like Sicky, you know, the Sicky bushings that I got, same shop, all that stuff. They were selling this turbo kit, and it literally came with everything you need, okay? It's advertised, okay, as a everything you need kit to convert your NA SC300 to a turbo SC300, okay? Now, this thing also comes with a head gasket, okay? A multi-layer head gasket. I believe that's 2.5 millimeters, whatever. It comes with a fuel pump, right? It came with all your oil stuff, which is pretty standard. And it even comes with ARP Head Studs, okay? ARP Head Studs. And yeah, so when I saw this kit, I started doing a little bit of research about it, and I found out that this kit is actually like a pretty rare kit. It's like I don't want to say old school, but it might be an old school kit. But this kit goes back a couple years, and basically this is a Boost Logic kit, okay? If you guys are not familiar with Boost Logic, just do a quick search on them. They make pretty good quality stuff. The manifold is super heavy. I mean, all of this stuff is great quality. And yeah, I had to buy it. You know, I had to buy it. Now, this kit is not a complete Boost Logic kit. It was missing a couple of things. It was missing the fuel pump. It was missing fuel injectors, filter, and the wastegate, which I'm okay with because most of the turbo kits that you find out there don't come with a fuel pump or fuel injectors. And the CX Racing turbo kit, one of the complaints that I've heard, and this is not me saying this directly, but I've heard that the wastegate is usually not the best. You probably want to upgrade the wastegate to a better quality wastegate, like a Precision or something else. But yeah, so I was okay with all the stuff that was missing, but for the most part, everything on the table is what you get, right? So you got your manifold, right? T4 manifold with a V-band, and that's good for a 44 millimeter wastegate. We got the turbo. Now, I am not sure on the specs of this yet, like as far as the exact size, or even the brand. I think it's a Precision, but right? So we have the downpipe. It's got a nice little bend here, right? Right. And we got the dump tube. We have a midpipe. Okay. The intercooler is a Precision intercooler. Okay. Couplers, you know, all your coupler fittings, intercooler piping, everything's still in plastic. As you guys can see, oil line stuff, right? Feed and drain, and gaskets. Blow-off valves did not come with this kit. These are my blow-off valves. I haven't made my mind up as to what blow-off valves I want to go with. I don't know if I want to run the Greddy or the Blitz, but these are, you know, some old school blow-off valves too. So I'm leaning towards Blitz, but maybe you guys can help me decide in the comment section. The head studs, I thought this was kind of interesting. So these are the head studs that came with the kit. They're still in the plastic. And these are the head studs that I bought a couple years ago for my other SC300. And you can see here, the package by date on mine was packaged in 2016, okay? These were packaged in 2008. So another interesting thing I found while I was searching for more information on this turbo kit is there are a couple of companies that still have this same kit listed on their website. So I'm not really sure how you can go about getting it if you want to buy it, since Boost Logic says they don't make it no more, but they still have it advertised. And the interesting thing about it for me is the price. They have this same kit that you see on the table, they have it listed for $5,000. So in my mind, what that tells me is I got basically a $5,000 turbo kit for less than what a CX Racing turbo kit costs. So I don't know, that's a win in my book. I'm not complaining, I'm kind of excited about it. Well anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Wait, earlier in the video, I said this. We're gonna talk about this box here at the very end. There's something very important inside of that box. So we're gonna talk about what's inside the box. And what's inside this box is the brains of the system, right? How I'm gonna control everything. I know you guys are gonna ask me about tuning and what route I'm gonna go and that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna answer that question today. And without further ado, let's go ahead and open this box. 2JZ GTE, right? What's that? It's a 2J ECU, right? So y'all are probably thinking that I am going to do the 2JZ ECU mod. Except, I'm kidding. We're not gonna be doing that. What we're really gonna be doing is this. Oh! Y'all didn't see that coming. Give me a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this. Like, comment, and subscribe, all that fun stuff. And comment below if you guys have any questions about everything I covered today. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.